In cellular respiration, the reactants are things on the left side of the cellular respiration equation. The cellular respiration equation is glucose, oxygen, water, CO2, and ATP energy. Then the reactants are energy, oxygen, and glucose. The products are ATP, carbon dioxide, and water. And those are found on the right side of the cellular respiration equation. Cellular respiration occurs in the mitochondria and occurs in both plant and animal cells. Cellular respiration releases energy in the form of ATP. The three major steps to cellular respiration is glycolysis. I don't know what's that. Step one, the Krebs cycle and electron transport. In the process of glycolysis, glucose is split into two molecules of pyruvate. In prokaryotic cells, cellular respiration occurs in the cytoplasm or in inner surface of the cell. In eukaryotic cells, it occurs in the mitochondria. Reactants for stage 1 of the cellular respiration is glucose. In stage 1, glucose is broken down into the cytoplasm of the cell. A reactant for stage 2 is pyruvate molecules. In stage 2, pyruvate molecules are transported into the mitochondria and is converted into two carbon molecules. These molecules enter the Krebs cycle. The reactants for stage 3 is energy made in stage 2 and is carried into electric transport chain and then is made into ATP. Products for stages are carbon dioxide, water, did I say that?
Yeah. Carbon dioxide is made in stage 2 and stage 3 by the mitochondria and ATP, also made in this process. In stage 3, water is the product of the mitochondria. In photosynthesis, the reactants are the things on the left side of the equation. If the equation is 6H2O plus 6CO2 plus light energy goes to glucose and oxygen, then the reactants are water, carbon dioxide, and light energy. Therefore, the products are glucose and oxygen. To make photosynthesis happen, the organelle chloroplast takes in sun to make energy for the cell. In that process, the energy is stored because the organelle is taking in the sun, or light, energy to make glucose and fuel for the cell to use. Because we heterotrophs cannot produce our own food because we don't have chloroplasts, only plants can have this reaction of photosynthesis. The two major stages of the light reaction are light-dependent reactions and light-independent or Calvin cycle reactions. In the light-dependent reaction, energy from the sunlight is absorbed by the chlorophyll and converted into chemical energy in the form of ATP. In light-independent reactions, the energized electrons from the light-dependent reaction provide energy to assemble carbohydrates, NADP. These reactions occur in the thylakoid part of the chloroplast. The reactants of the light-dependent stage are ATP, light energy, NADP, and water. The products are oxygen, NADP, and ATP. The reactants of the light-independent stage are ATP, NADP, and carbon dioxide. The products are ATP, NADP, and glucose.